Hello everyone. Today our topic for study is law of equipartition of energy. In this topic we study following topics: degree of freedom, monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. Now let us see law of equipartition of energy. We all know formula for kinetic energy. Yes, what is it? It is Ke is equal to 1 half mv square. Here Ke is kinetic energy, mass small m be the mass of molecule and v is its velocity. Yes, so we consider this formula for three-dimensional figure. Ke is equal to 1 half mvx square plus 1 half mvy square plus 1 half mvz square. Here vx, vy and vz represents velocities of particles in x, y and z plane. Yes, here we consider three-dimensional figure. So this is the formula for kinetic energy of single molecule in three-dimensional figure. Now mean energy per molecule becomes 3/2 kBT. Here kB stands for Boltzmann's constant and capital T is temperature. As here no preferred direction is considered. So here mean energy per molecule becomes 3/2 kBT. Also formula for average kinetic energy per molecule becomes inside the bracket 1 half mvx square is equal to 1 half mvy square is equal to inside the bracket 1 half mvz square. Inside the bracket there is nothing but the average kinetic energies. They are denoted by bracket term. These three quantities are nothing but equal to 1 half kBT. Here also kB is Boltzmann's constant and T is temperature. So the statement for the law of equipartition of energy is: for a gas in thermal equilibrium at a temperature capital T, the average energy for molecule associated with each quadratic term is 1 half kBT. And this law is valid for high temperature and not for extremely low temperature. Also, we can explain this formula like this: in equilibrium, the total energy is equally distributed in all possible energy modes, with each mode having an average energy equal to 1 half kBT. म्हणजेच इन इक्विलिब्रियम पोझिशनमध्ये एखाद्या सिस्टीमची एनर्जी ही इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट झालेली असते. प्रत्येक मोडला ही एनर्जी 1 हाफ kBT एवढ्या क्वांटिटीने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट झालेली असते. आता आपण याचं कायनेटिक एनर्जीचं एक्सप्लेनेशन पाहूया. ॲव्हरेज कायनेटिक एनर्जी फॉर मोनोॲटॉमिक गॅस इज इक्वल टू 1 half mvx square plus 1 half mvy square plus 1 half mvz square is equal to 3/2 kBT. For diatomic molecules, average kinetic energy is equal to E trans plus E rot plus E vibration, means translational kinetic energy plus rotational kinetic energy plus vibrational kinetic energy. because diatomic molecules possess kinetic energy in three different forms. As we know above, Ke trans is equal to 1 half m Vx square plus 1 half m Vy square plus 1 half m Vz square, and E rot means rotational kinetic energy is equal to 1 half Iz omega z square plus 1 half Iy omega y square. Here I is nothing but moment of inertia and omega is nothing but angular velocity. Also, vibrational kinetic energy is equal to 1 half m u square plus 1 half k r square. Here first quantity represent kinetic energy and second quantity represent potential energy. That is, vibrational kinetic energy possess two terms, kinetic energy and potential energy. In 1 half mu square, u is velocity of vibration. In the term 1 half kr square, small r represent distance of separation of atom and k represent force constant. Next topic, degree of freedom. Before studying degree of freedom, we will study some definitions, that is monoatomic gas, diatomic gas and polyatomic gas. Mono means single, that is one. Now what is monoatomic gas? A gas whose molecule consists of single atom. It is called as monoatomic gas. This type of gas is chemically inert and its examples are Hg, sodium, helium, neon. These are examples of monoatomic gas. Internal energy of such gas is due to translational kinetic energy. Now second one, diatomic gas. Gas whose molecule consists of two atoms are diatomic gas. Their example is oxygen O2, hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, chlorine Cl2 and last one carbon monoxide, etc. Kinetic energy of such type of diatomic molecules is due to translational kinetic energy and rotational kinetic energy. Third topic of gas molecule is polyatomic gas. A gas whose molecule consists of more than two atoms are polyatomic gas. For example, H2O, O3, that is ozone, H2S, CO2, CH4, etc. Kinetic energy for such type of polyatomic gas molecule is due to translational and rotational kinetic energy. Now definition for degree of freedom. The number of independent ways the molecule can possess energy is called degree of freedom. म्हणजेच असे विविध मार्ग की ज्याच्याने एखादी मॉलिक्यूल एनर्जी पजेस करू शकेल, अशाच यालाच डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम असे म्हटले जाते. नाउ अनदर डेफिनेशन, टोटल नंबर ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स required to describe position and configuration of system. This is also called as degree of freedom, DOF. Degree of freedom for monoatomic gas is 3. Like this, ET is equal to 1 half mvx square plus 1 half mvy square plus 1 half mvz square, and average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. Degree of freedom for diatomic molecule is 5. 3 translational kinetic energy plus 2 rotational kinetic energy, that is E is equal to E trans plus E rot is equal to 1 half mvx square plus 1 half mvy square plus 1 half mvz square. This is translational energy plus 1 half I1 omega plus I2 plus 1 half I2 omega 2 square. This is E trans. But in this discussion we assume the atoms to be rigid, but actually covalent bond is present between these atoms, and so there is vibrational kinetic energy also possess. So diatomic molecule possess energy, rotational translational kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, and also vibrational kinetic energy, as we studied earlier. Vibrational kinetic energy possess two square terms, Ke and Pe. 1 half mu square is Ke, where u is velocity of vibration, and 1 half Kr square, where K is force constant and small r is distance of separation between two atoms